last day we are offering the 7 Trading Systems Members Area as a course for new subscribers. This is existing subscribers will still have access to one-time subscription lifetime fee, and go over some of the trades. I'm going to show you where you can get that course first. Go to courses on our menu, complete course list. This is 7 trading systems for the S&P Futures. It is from a book I wrote in 2010. We've done some updates for 2024. It includes open code trading systems in Tradestation, NinjaTrader, and Multicharts. And so you can see a list of chapters, and you have the 2024 update right there in the very beginning. Other chapters are from 2010, and some of those still work well. So you talk about out of sample results. You can actually go back to the book released in 2010 and see how some of these strategies work and see that they still work in 2024. You'll want a bigger stop loss, bigger profit target because the point values have expanded, but even the original point values, stop losses have still show profitable results in a lot of these strategies. So this is some of the latest strategy though. Based on updates at the beginning of 2024, you see recent trades here at the very end of April based on 2024 updates. And those updates are a lot of times just changing the stop loss and profit target to bigger values. And you can see a short trade here, gap fill 2 continuation. This is called the gap fill combo and continue. So you have a gap continuation here, you have a gap fill here, a gap fill here. Last 3 trades are profitable. Let's look at the results for the last 7 months in Tradestation. Then we'll go over the longer term results in NinjaTrader. This is the equity curve for this setup going back to September of 2023. 3.23 profit factor, 5,012.50. 15 of 18 trades, 1425 drawdown. And this is a long side. 8 of 9 on the long side, net profit and drawdown. You can see there 7 winners, 9 losers on the short side. This strategy is currently in our 1 million MNS 110 setup, and so this is a strategy that we currently implement in our portfolios. After today, this strategy can be leased on an annual subscription or in one of the portfolios. Let's look at the gap continue 1 from 2024, and let's look at the results for the last 7 months. This strategy is currently short, and so this has a 58-82% profitability, slightly different methodology, different percentage. We like the different percentages. So on high percentage trades, oftentimes your profit target is closer than your stop loss. This one has a larger winners than losers, but the percentage profitability is lower. And you can see 84.25 over the last 7 months, trading 1 E-mini, 26.25 drawdown. Let's look at the equity curve for this setup. Here is the performance graph for this setup. It's kind of sideways. We put portfolios together of strategies that have equity curves in different phases. We like strategies like this. We like strategies, this is a sideways phase. We like strategies that are in run-up, like the gap fill strategy that you just saw, as well as strategies that are in a drawdown. And so these 2 strategies meet 2 of the 3 criteria for a portfolio of trading systems. Here you see the gap continue strategy in NinjaTrader. Let's look at the performance report for this setup. I want to expand this. And this is the NinjaTrader setup. We looked at 7 months in Tradestation. Here is the complete history in NinjaTrader. They match closely between platforms. This goes back, let's see how far this goes back. This goes back to 2022. So let's look at the equity curve. Same thing. This is the sideways consolidation in this equity curve. Let's look at the summary on this going back to 2022, about 2 years. You can see the long side is more profitable than the short side, which makes sense because that is the direction of the trend. And 150 average trade profit. So we like high average trade profits. The short side is 104. Percent probability on the short side is 43. On the long side, it is 59%. Let's look at the longer term chart of the gap fill 1 strategy for 2024. Here you can see the 3 recent trades in gap fill combo and the longer term performance report in NinjaTrader. You can see the summary 69, 12, 50 for all trades. More profitable on the long side in the recent market conditions. 144 average trade profit, 73% profitable. Let's look at the equity curve. This is going back to March of 2020, about the beginning of the pandemic. It's at equity peak. So equity peaks again recently. And so nice trades in this setup for the gap fill strategies. Let's look again at the summary. And you can see the drawdown levels are fairly low, 5,200, 3,600 on the long side, 3,725 on the short side, pretty evenly balanced. So 481 trades total, slightly more on the long side. And so these are the two strategies that we're focused on in our portfolios. Open code and NinjaTrader through today. Then the course closes. You can get these after today as a annual subscription lease versus a one-time payment. And so this is the again, gap fill combo and gap fill continue and combo. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.